here. Have you ever had your lawnmower starter rope bust when you're trying to start your lawnmower? I have. It's not fun. Now, at the time, I came up with a temporary solution by wrapping duct tape as tightly as I could around the remaining strand of rope. But it was only a temporary solution, and it's time to get real. So I'm going to show you how to replace your lawnmower starter rope. The first step is removing these two screws right here, and that's so that I can get access to the starter rope. I'm going to put a little piece of plastic in here because that's my oil. I just don't want anything going into it. This is the fun part. See this? That's the end of the rope, so I'm going to cut that. One tip I have is to burn the end of the rope. This is going to make it a lot easier when you're threading it. It's not going to fray. Okay. Now I'm just going to feed it in. I made it as straight as I possibly can. Yes, there it goes. So I'm just going to string that in. Okay, here's underneath. So I'm going to tie a knot. Now I'm going to take out the screwdriver, and this is going to wind itself back up. Now that I've replaced the cord, I can put it back together. We are finished. Thanks to Lily for being my audience, well, somewhat of an audience. But time to go tackle that lawn. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, send me a note, and make sure you subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.